Greetings everyone and welcome to Goddess Guidance. I'm Robin Mansfield, owner here at Goddess in Eden in Verona, New Jersey. And this Goddess Guidance is for the week of November 28th through December the 4th. Now this week we have a lot going on in terms of preparing for the super full moon, which is coming on December the 10th. Now I know that's 10 days away, but you're going to feel the effects starting now. And also I want you to get prepared because Mercury retrograde is just down the road. All right, now Mercury retrograde is going to hit us right before the holidays. So make sure that you order all of your things online now. Okay, you want to be prepared. Mail all of your packages now. Make sure all of your travel plans are confirmed now. And even when you travel over the holidays, you're going to have to make super sure that everything is in its place. In other words, if you're traveling and you need your tickets or your passport or your ID, all those kinds of little things that tend to get lost, you're going to have to pay particular attention to, because this Mercury retrograde is going to be in Capricorn, which is the sign of business, and that's going to be tricky. Okay, so just a little, caveat emptor there. So I usually talk about goddesses, and this week I'd like to talk about angels. In particular, the Archangel Metatron. Now he's a very special angel. Because he's one of the only two angels that were in human form before they became angels. So it's Archangel Metatron and his brother Sandalphon. Now he's his angelic brother, Sandalphon. But Archangel Metatron is the recording angel. And what he does is he records everyone's deeds here on earth and puts them into the Akashic records. And the Akashic records is a record of your soul's journey from its inception, from the very moment that it became a soul and incarnated here on earth, and forever and ever and ever. So it's kind of like a energetic record of everything that you've ever done or going to do. Interesting subject, which would require more than just a few moments as to what we have to do here. But Archangel Metatron would be the archangel that you would call on if you wanted to do a Akashic Records reading. Now, he also guards the Tree of Life, which is a symbol of the Kabbalah. And that's also a subject for a very long discussion, so we won't go into that here. But more importantly, Archangel Metatron helps you discover your own personal spiritual power. So I know that a lot of people kind of get lost and feel lonely, or missing family, or missing people that are no longer here on this planet during the holidays. And so I think that Archangel Metatron would be a super angel to call on to help with that. He could certainly give you much comfort in terms of speaking to or relating to those people that are not with you anymore, or helping you increase your faith so that you know that everything is going to be okay. Because it is going to be okay, and you know that in your heart. And I think Archangel Metatron can just give you some extra comfort with that. What could also give you some comfort in terms of reaching the angels could be some stones. All right, so going into the magic cauldron, we have some crystals. This one is called Angelite, and it's a very nice stone for calling on the angels. It's powder blue, and this particular version is polished and raw, which I kind of like the combination of the two energies. For some people they like the polished version, and other people like the raw version, and that's what makes this piece so special, is that you can have both. So you could put your thumb here and put your hand here, and just kind of tune into the vibration of that, and just ask your angels to hear your prayers, and feel that comforting warmth go around your body as you call them in. You can also do this with completely raw angelite, which looks like this. It's like light blue, but it's a little more powdery. And then we have totally polished in this cute little heart, which I think is kind of nice. It's a little sweet little heart, kind of energetic. Or you can also call on the energies of celestite, quite different. Same color, as you'll notice, that beautiful, sweet powder blue color. But this is a crystal structure, and it's in a very delicate matrix. It's almost like compressed sand, this matrix. So you have to be very careful with celestite. You have to treat it gently, and you certainly can't get it wet because it would dissolve this matrix, and then all these beautiful crystals would separate, and that would not be good. But it is a gorgeous, gorgeous stone, as you could see. I mean, it's just, all these beautiful crystals and everything are just stunning. And this, you would contact the angels in the same way with this, holding it in the palm and placing your thumb in a comfortable position, and perhaps holding your right hand underneath it, closing your eyes, and just taking a moment to call in the angels, and then ask them to hear your prayers. And you'll just feel that energy surround you very quickly. It's like Archangel Michael. Anytime you call on Archangel Michael, boom, he's there. It's like, Archangel Michael, I need your help, boom, right there. And all the angels are very responsive, quite lovely. So I hope that's going to be very helpful to you in the coming holidays. We also have a workshop coming up that should be helpful for you. It's going to be on Saturday, December the 10th, and it's going to be with our new teacher, Crystal B, and it's Crystal B Astrology. She'll be here on December the 10th, and she's going to be talking about the energies of the super full moons. Now, we've had 2 super full moons already, and Crystal B is going to talk about the 3rd one that's coming up in December, and how to access that energy and use it to your best advantage. And she's also going to talk a little bit about 2017 and what we can expect for the coming year. So I hope you'll join us for that on Saturday, December the 10th at 7 o'clock. And it's very affordable. It's $25. Okay? And don't forget about our goddess points. For every purchase of $10, you get a goddess point. And when you get 10 points, you get 10% off your purchase. So I hope you'll join us. I hope you have a fabulous week. And take care. We'll see you soon.